Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rumesh Kumar, and I am going to presented uh, presented on the topic defamation under the law of tort. Definition under law of tort, meaning every person has an absolute right to preserve his reputation. This right is acknowledged as an inherent personal right of every person. It is right in rem, a right available against the whole world. Defama- Defamation is defined by the eminent jurist as under Winfield. Definition is the publication of a statement which tends to lower a person is in the estimation of right thinking member of society generally or which tends to make them shun or avoid that person. Salmon defamation is the publication of a false and defamatory statement regarding another without any justification. Initial of defamation, these are following. Initial, first, the statement must be defamatory. A statement will be defamation if it exposes the plaintiff to hearted contempt, ridicule, or tends to injure him in this his profession or trade, or causes him to be shunned or avoided by his neighbor or by member of the society. Second, the statement must refer to the plaintiff. The statement alleged to be defamatory must refer to the plaintiff. It is, however, not necessary to show that the defendant intended it to refer to the plaintiff. Publication means making know the matter to some person other than the plaintiff, thus no action can be maintained unless there is a publication, no civil action. Therefore, lies if the defamatory word are communicated only to the person spoken of because that cannot injure his reputation. Kinds of defamation. Defamation is a generic term containing its two forms. First, libel and second, slander. Libel. A libel is a publication of false and defamatory statement in some permanent form tending to injure the reputation of another person without lawful justification or excuse. Slander. A slander is a false and defamatory verbal or oral statement in some trustee from tending to injure the reputation of another without lawful justification or excuse. It may be noted that slander is not actionable without proof of special damage. It is actionable per se. Difference between libel and slander. Libel is the definition is a written permanent from normally addressed to the eye. Slender is a definition in an oral or transient from address to the ear. In India, as well as in England, libel is both a tort and crime. In India, slander is also both a tort and a crime, but in England, slander is a civil wrong only. In case of libel, there exists malice and greater deliberation. Slander may be uttered in the heat of the moment and under a sudden provocation. In case of libel, the actual publish may be an innocent person and thus may not be liable. In case of slander, the publisher acts consciously and voluntarily and must always be liable. Exception of defamation justified by truth. It is complete defense to an action for libel or slander that the words complaint of are true in substance or the law will not permit a man to recover damages in respect of an injury to a character which the does not or ought not to possess. Second, fair and bona fide comments. A fair and bona fide comment on matter of public interest does not attract any liability, however severe it may be in its terms, but the comment must be bona fide and must not be made a cause for malice. Legitimate criticism is not a tort. Exception of defamation, privileged communication, absolute privilege, parliamentary proceeding, judicial proceeding, military and naval proceeding, state proceeding, qualified privilege, statement made in performance of a duty, statement made in protection of common interest, fair and accurate report. Important landmark case on defamation, Supreme Swami versus Union of India 2016, Rajgopal versus State of Tamil Nadu 1994, Tata Sons Limited versus Greenpeace International 2016. In conclusion, defamation protects a person's dignity and reputation, but it must be balanced with the right to freedom of speech. Not every criticism in defamation, only false, damaging, and unjustified statement can be punished. Thank you so much.